Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to show a single tick in WhatsApp for one person. So if you have ever wanted to avoid letting someone know you have received or read their message without blocking them or turning off your internet, then this video is for you. First, I'll explain what a single tick means. When you send a message on WhatsApp, one gray tick means message sent, two gray ticks means message delivered, and blue ticks means message read. So first you have to simply open up your WhatsApp and make sure you have the chat where you would like to get the single tick. After that, you have to click on the three dots and click onto settings. Once you get there, you have to click onto the second option, which is the privacy, and after that you have to scroll down and turn on this read receipt option. By doing that, whenever you send someone message, the blue ticks will be turned on. Don't worry, I'll show you how to deal with it. Now you just have to simply get back to that chat where you would like to send the message. Once you get into the chat, then just simply send a message. So here you can see I'm getting double ticks that are in gray. If you're getting in blue, don't worry, the process will be same. Whether you're getting the gray ticks or the blue ticks, the process will be same, but I'll show you how easily you can get a single tick for specific chat. As here you can see there are double ticks. If the same case is with you, then what you have to do is that you have to turn on a setting that is available in every chat. So you have to turn it on for every specific chat. So for that, you just have to simply click onto the name of the recipient. Then you will get into the settings, and there you will see this option, which is the advanced chat privacy, and you can see right now it is turned off. On your side it will be turned off, so don't worry. What you have to do is that you have to click onto it and turn it on. It gives you three options: that media won't be automatically saved to device gallery, message won't be received for AI feature like mentioning meta AI, and chat exports will be disabled. So this is a privacy setting that WhatsApp has launched for every chat, and you turn it on if you want to maintain more privacy. So here you can see after turning on, whenever I send a message, I'm just getting a single tick, no double ticks. While on the other hand, if I open another chat and I send a message, you can see I am getting the double ticks. This is because for this chat I have not turned it on, but for the other chat I have turned on that setting, which is the advanced privacy setting, and now I'm just getting the double tick. Here the other person is getting the message, but whenever that person sends you a message, that person will not be able to know if you have received the message or not. So by this setting you can maintain your privacy, and if you ever wanted to avoid letting someone know you have received or read their message, then just simply your work will be done. And whenever you try to turn off that setting again, just simply click on the recipient name and do the same thing like we turned it on the option, but this time you just have to simply turn it off. And after that you will again start getting the double ticks or maybe the blue ticks for that specific chat. This is what we have done for one chat. That means for all the other chats you have to do the same thing. If you have done it for one chat, that does not mean that all the chats will not be able to get the double ticks, only this one chat in which you do it. So for other chats, if you would like to do it multiple chats, then you have to do it one by one. You have to turn on that setting for every chat one by one, and that setting will be enabled, and then you will be able to only get the single tick on WhatsApp. The other person will not get that if you have read their message or not, even if you reply to them. But if you just turn it off, then you will again be able to get the double ticks from the other person, and the other person will also be get to know that there are double ticks on your side. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it. For more informative videos and updates, leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.